Welcome back to Lana Decor. If you're looking to transform your home into a cozy and inviting winter retreat, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're sharing 20 rustic farmhouse winter decor ideas that will bring warmth, charm, and a touch of seasonal magic to your space. From creative DIY projects to timeless farmhouse classics, these ideas are sure to inspire your winter decor makeover. So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into these beautiful ideas you'll absolutely love. Nothing says winter comfort like chunky knit throws and cable knit pillows. Add them to your sofa or armchair to instantly create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. These soft textures bring warmth to your space, making it the perfect retreat from chilly weather. Let's build on this cozy theme with another centerpiece idea. Enhance your dining table with vintage-style wooden lanterns filled with candles or fairy lights. This centerpiece adds a warm glow to your meals and complements the rustic farmhouse style beautifully. With its timeless charm, this decor element sets the tone for a magical winter. Speaking of warmth, let's explore how textures can elevate your decor. Faux fur accents, like rugs or chair covers, add a layer of luxury and coziness to your winter space. Their soft, plush texture creates a welcoming vibe that feels perfect for farmhouse living. As we continue, let's add some seasonal flair to your mantle. Hang burlap stockings along your mantle to embrace the rustic charm of farmhouse decor. Add a personal touch with lace trims, pine cones, or wooden tags for a handcrafted feel. These stockings capture the essence of simplicity and charm. Next, let's bring nature indoors with greenery garlands. Drape garlands of pine branches and eucalyptus over doorways, windows, or railings. The fresh scent and natural beauty of these garlands add life and vibrancy to your space, perfectly balancing the farmhouse aesthetic. To amplify this natural theme, let's talk about rustic signs. Decorate with hand-painted wooden signs that display phrases like warm wishes or cozy winter nights. Place them on mantels, shelves, or walls for a personal and rustic touch. These signs beautifully tie into the farmhouse style. Up next, a unique vintage element for your home. A vintage wooden sled placed near your fireplace or entryway adds a nostalgic winter charm. Decorate it with greenery, plaid ribbons, and perhaps a few fairy lights to complete the look. This statement piece sets the scene for winter coziness. Now, let's shift to simple yet charming table decor. Mason jars filled with faux snow, small pine cones, and tea lights are perfect for creating a soft glow. Arrange them on trays or shelves for a budget-friendly, farmhouse-style decoration. As we move forward, let's dive into timeless patterns. Buffalo check patterns are a farmhouse classic. Incorporate them through table runners, pillows, or curtains to add a cozy and timeless feel. The bold, simple design is perfect for tying together rustic and winter aesthetics. To complement this, let's explore metal accents. Galvanized metal buckets, trays, or vases filled with greenery and winter berries bring an industrial touch to the farmhouse look. These durable and stylish accents are ideal for winter decor. Let's continue with lighting to enhance the atmosphere. Twinkle lights are essential for a magical winter vibe. Drape them around windows, mantels, or shelves to create a warm and enchanting glow. They pair wonderfully with rustic decor. Speaking of rustic touches, let's look at wood slice accents. Natural wood slices make charming coasters or placemats, adding warmth to your table. Their raw texture complements the farmhouse style perfectly. To elevate your holiday decor, let's talk about wreaths. A wooden ladder leaned against the wall serves as a charming holder for cozy blankets. Add a few fairy lights to create a warm winter display. Now, let's add elegance with candle holders. Wooden or iron candle holders with tall white candles make a simple yet elegant statement. Place them on your dining table or mantle for a warm, farmhouse ambience. Next, let's make your tree the centerpiece of the room. Dip pine cones in white paint or glitter to mimic snow, and display them in baskets or bowls. This simple decor idea brings the beauty of nature indoors. Now, let's create a functional display with crates. Stack wooden crates to create shelves or use them to hold candles, books, or greenery. They add versatility and charm to any room. Next, let's add some seasonal flair. String dried orange slices into garlands and drape them over windows or mantles. The bright colors and natural fragrance make them a delightful addition. Let's bring in some creative chalkboard art. Layer burlap placemats with white plates and sprigs of rosemary tied with twine. This simple yet elegant setup is perfect for farmhouse dining. For a festive touch, let's explore ornaments. Wooden or metal star ornaments hanging in windows or from the ceiling create a whimsical farmhouse winter aesthetic. Let's finish with cozy basket displays. Large woven baskets filled with blankets, firewood, or faux greenery add warmth and functionality to your space. Place them by the fireplace for a homey touch. Finally, let's repurpose a classic farmhouse element. Thank you so much for joining us today on this journey through 20 rustic farmhouse winter decor ideas. We hope these tips and inspirations help you create the perfect cozy and stylish winter vibe in your home. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest decor inspirations. Until next time, stay warm and keep decorating with love.